It's Tuesday, June 6th, and I want to remind you about classes coming up this Friday, okay? We have two classes happening simultaneously, but that's not a problem. We have two tables. It's all good. So Allison has her mistakes class Friday at 10:30 to 12:30. There is one spot left, one spot. And you will learn how to fix your mistakes and not panic when you're at home and it's the weekend and we're closed. So, and wait till we can reopen to get help. So this will solve those problems. Then the following Friday, she's teaching a beginning cables class, 10:30 to 12:30. There are 3 slots left there, okay? So that is Allison's class. And then Sandy is doing a knit along with the Rhoda jumper. And this is the Rhoda jumper. You know, in England, they call a sweater a jumper. So she's doing the sweater version, but there is also a sleeveless vest version, which I think is adorable, would be so cute over a t-shirt or a dress. So both of those, and that's happening also, that is knitted, and that is it is knitted, right? Yeah, it's knitted, and that's happening also Friday, 10:30 to 12:30. So both of those coming up. So find your slot. There is space left in the Rhoda jumper sweater vest, okay? Let me show you. Allison is sharing very generously with us her finished Up Your Game knitting cowl. And the pattern looks like this. This is her pattern that she worked on, so there's lots of notes on it because she's so detailed. But let me show you the real thing, which is absolutely stunning. It's like a sampler of different types of stitches, so it's a great way to learn new techniques. There is short row shaping, there's slip stitches. I love this plaid. And then there's a little bit of lace work, yarn overs, and I'm not sure what this is, but it looks amazing. And so I love that pattern and more of that. So this is a gorgeous cowl that you could wear in the winter, double wrap it around your neck or just let it shine. It is, whew, so good looking. Love the color she picked. And anyway, it's a great challenge, something you could learn and try new skills as you're learning how to knit the Up Your Game cowl, right? Last but not least, excuse me, last but not least, we got in a new interweave, the summer version of Interweave Knits. And there are 10 endless summer knits in here, and they're pretty cute. I think that one is very cute. Lots of ideas and things to do. Some summer tees like that and like that. So if you want to pick this up, it is $9.99, and we have several copies. So it's always fun to get lots of patterns in a magazine. So fun to look at, right? Magazines are great. We have a hard time throwing them away. They stack up around the house, and then it's like, oh my gosh, what am I doing with all these magazines? All right, thank you for being here. I will see you tomorrow.